Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Appreciate you taking time out of your day. We've got a paint session today and we're going to be doing 3 pre-Rapala wiggle warts. I don't know if you can see that in the background, but we're going to be doing a fall crawl for a customer. So after the intro, come check it out. Alright, so we're about to start the fall crawl, and the first color we're going to do is we're basically just going to cover the entire bait with a iridescent yellow. So this pattern is somewhat similar to a few other patterns that I have as far as looking at them on a website, but there are differences between some of these green pumpkin yellows. The fall crawl in particular has this really fluorescent, not fluorescent, pearlescent, iridescent yellow. If you see that on the bill and you're wondering what that is, that's where I tape off the word wiggle wart on these pre-wraps. All right, so now we're going to come back and hit this bait with our fluorescent orange. And this particular customer wanted the entire baits, lips, everything painted, so we're going to do just a little bit of an orange stripe down that belly. What we got going on here? Come on. And after I peel the tape and reveal that underneath color, we'll go over that slightly with this orange. So we're going to keep that in our brush. Carefully remove that. Go down and go ahead and put our black CRAW markings. That could be a disaster, what you just seen on video, other than the fact that this particular bait does have a splattered texture at the conclusion. So no harm, no foul, but we didn't thin our paint quite well enough on this particular one, and Let's get that though down there a little bit better. Okay, now we're going to come back with our green pumpkin, and we're going to start shading in a little bit of these CRAW markings, just freehand. We're keeping our brush quite a distance from it now and just fading in the green toward the top of the shoulders. Gonna leave that stripe down the back. We'll get it a little larger as we go, but all right, we're going to do a little splatter. Kick up the pressure just a little bit. Looks pretty good. Marginal size on the splatter, just a preference on that. Again, lower the pressure, larger the drops. Obviously, tell you what, I may here in just a minute show you a different technique without using an airbrush for that, where you just use a paintbrush or a toothbrush in order to get a little bit larger droplet size. But guys, this is the fall CRAW. You guys let me know what you think. Whether you think we ought to add some legs onto it, some segments. But that is from the www.greencountrybaits.com fall CRAW. Appreciate you stopping in this week, guys, and keep coming back. Make sure you click the notification bell so you get the weekly updates, and for sure hit the subscribe. Once again, see you next week.